to Eternal Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn Chapter 2, Boolean Algebra. Content of this video is you are going to learn about the derived gates. Let's see one by one. First one is NAND gate. NAND gate means the combination of AND gate and the NOT gate. So the output of the AND gate is reversed. So the output of AND gate is A dot B. So the two inputs are multiplied. It is taken as like that. So the output is reversed to get NAND gate output. So the two inputs, minimum we require two inputs. We can have any number of inputs. For this we have taken only two inputs. So first the two inputs are false. So the net result is false. So the output of NAND is 1, true. So because we have to reverse it. So here 0, 1, true, false. So result false. So net result true. Here true, here false. So AND is false but NAND is true. Here both the conditions are true. So result of AND is true but the result of NAND is false. So very easy to calculate the truth table if you are very clear with AND gate. Same like that NOR gate. The reverse of OR gate. OR means A plus B. So the reverse is A plus B with the overlay or single apostrophe. This is a circuit and this is a symbol. The OR gate is followed by a small circle. This is said to be bubble. Here two inputs are false. So result is false. But the net result of NOR gate is true. Likewise true, false and true. So result is true. And so the reverse is false. So 1, 0, here 1, so the reverse is 0. Here 1, 1, 0. So if the two results are true, that means the two input are true. True, here also true, result is true, but the net result of NOR is false. So we are going to see about bubbled AND. What is the meaning? First the input A is reversed, then the input B also reversed. Both the reversed inputs are given to the AND gates. This is said to be bubbled AND. So the circuit is like this. Symbol is the same AND gate, but previously there will be bubble before A and B. So A 0, 0, 1, 1. So the reverse of A is 1, 1, 0, 0. B is 0, 1, 0, 1. So the reverse is 1, 0, 1, 0. So what will be the output? It should be combined with AND gate. So 1, 1 means the output should be 1. Here 1, 0, output is 0. Here 0, 1, so output is 0. Here 0, 0, output is 0. So this is the result of bubbled AND gate. You can see that a bubbled AND gate produces the same output as a NOR gate. So this bubbled AND output is 1, 0, 0 and NOR gate is the reverse of OR gate. So this also 1, 0, 0, 0. Both are same. So you can replace each NOR gate by a bubbled AND gate. So this is said to be A plus B the whole reverse equal to A reverse dot B reverse. It's a De Morgan's first theorem. Boolean theorem. Then bubbled R. Bubbled R means the input A also reversed, B also reversed, but it is given to the OR gate. If it is bubbled AND means here the gate will be AND. If it is OR means it should be OR gate. So both the reversed are given to the OR gate. So there is an addition here. So same OR gate with bubbled A and B. Same A 0 0 1 1. So reverse is 1 1 0 0. Here B is 0 1 0 1. So the reverse is 1 0 1 0. So here it is OR gate. So we have to use the OR truth table. So both are true, net result true. Any one is true, net result is true. Any one is true, net result is true. Both are false. So net result is false. So if we compare the truth tables of bubbled OR gate with NAND gate, they are identical. So here a NAND gate can be replaced by bubbled OR gate. So the De Morgan's second theorem is A dot B the whole reverse equal to A reverse plus B reverse. Both the outputs are identical. So next one is XOR. It is said to be exclusive OR. What is the circuit is? Previously we reverted the A and B alone, but here A is in one OR gate as it is OR. Here one OR gate. Here this is AND, here only OR. Okay. So in this AND gate, A is reversed, B is normal. Here A is normal, B is reversed, and both the inputs are given to OR gate, and we will form a circuit like, or the equation like, A reverse dot B plus A dot B reverse. So this is the symbol. The R, previously it is followed by a curve line. This is said to be XOR symbol, and it can be even represented with the plus with the encircled. So the truth table, we are having A, B. So first reverse of A and reverse of B. First one, here the input is A reverse dot B. So A reverse dot B means this A reverse and B, it should be given to AND gate. So 0 1, it is 0. 1 1 1. Here 0 0 0. Here 1 1. 1 0 so 0. So the first given input A reverse dot B. Next one is A dot B reverse. So 0 0 net result 0. 0 1 net result 0. Both the conditions are false. Okay, false. Then both are true. So true. One is false, again false, because it is AND operator. Now we are going to use this two input to form this equation. So as it is 0 0, here 0 plus, okay, 1 0 1, 0 1 1, 0 0 0. So what we have observed here is, if the output is true, if either but not both of the inputs are true, or else the output is false if both inputs are false or if both inputs are true. That means if all the inputs are same, whether it is true or false, net result is false. Okay, can you see here? Both are false, so false. Both are true, so false. So if the inputs given are same, then output will be false. Other things are true. This is XOR. So the ulta, that means the reverse, is XNOR. Same thing, A encircled B, but it is inverted. So what will be the output? Reverse. That means both the inputs are same, means output is true. The reverse of XOR is XNOR. So it will be very easy and interesting to write the truth table. But if you miss a 0 or 1, the whole thing will get wrong. But if you have an interest with this, we can easily score 5 marks instead of writing 4 to 5 papers of theory. Those who are having interest in electronics and electrical engineering, have a note on this. You are going to learn this in the first year of your engineering. So we have learned the gates given in your book. Now there is a theorem of Boolean algebra. Learn this. If a plus 0 is a, and A dot 1 is A. This will come for 1 mark or 2 mark. Previously there was a derivation for these things, but in your book it is not in our syllabus. All the derivations are removed. So just to learn for 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark purpose. It won't come for 5 marks, but it may come for 2 mark, 3 mark and 1 mark questions. That's all. So we have completed the Boolean algebra part. So learn or have a memorization about this truth table. It will be very useful for this lesson to learn. Sometimes they will simply ask the truth table to write in 2 marks or 3 marks. So if you know this, it will be very useful for you. So what is Boolean algebra? Write a short note on NAND gate, truth table for XOR, associative law. This associative law is given in the Boolean theory. This is the associative law. That means A plus B plus C. If I do the first addition of B and C and if I add with A, if I get a number, for example 5, you think. The same will be given as if I add the A plus B and add with the C. So if I replace the bracket in the sense it should be done first. So giving preference to any combination, the net result will be same. Likewise, the multiplication of 3 numbers. Even if we multiply the second and third number, then if we multiply with the first number, we will get a number. Same thing, the first and second is multiplied, then we are multiplying with the third number also will produce the same result. If we replace the bracket preference, it won't do any changes. This is called associative law. Then derived gates. Then truth table for fundamental gates. Short note on XNOR. NAND and NOR are called universal gates because with the combination of NAND alone we can form a fundamental gate. With the combination of NOR, 2 or 3 NORs are combined together to form a fundamental NOT, NOR and gates. So that's the reason these NAND and NOR are said to be universal gates. Truth table of XOR, De Morgan's law. Then fundamental gates and with expression and truth table. How and OR can be realized using NAND and NOR. Then explain the derived gates with expression and truth table. That's all for this session. Thank you. Have a good day.